and welcome back. Today I am going to share with you something old, something new, something blue. And we are still on our blue macchiato series. This time we're going to make a pink and blue unicorn latte drink. Another one is a chocolate latte drink and coffee latte drink. For the chocolate latte drink, I'm going to call it midnight blue, really dark blue. And for the coffee drink, I'm going to call it twilight blue. Because this is a blue macchiato, I need to make blue milk foam. And to make the blue milk foam, I'm going to use my 100% natural butterfly pea powder. Butterfly pea will just add color and also more antioxidants in your drinks. And all I have to do is to mix it with 100% full cream milk. And then I'm going to use my milk frother to make the milk foam. So what we need is very cold full cream milk. Use a manual milk frother. If you can, chill your milk frother before you use it so that the foam will be stable. Fill it halfway. Add 1/2 teaspoon of the butterfly pea powder. Pump until it is harder to pump. Now let's chill this and get back to it later. And for this one, I am going to use some tapioca pearls. This time I'm going to use brown sugar golden pearls just to make our drinks more exciting. Let's start by preparing our unicorn latte, which is a combination of my Thai salad flavor, but I'm using a different brand here, which I find really good as well, and then combine it with fresh milk. So all of these are latte based or milk based. That's why we need full cream milk. For these drinks, I'm going to use 16 ounces cups. The recipes are all for 500 milliliters or 16 ounces cups. Starting with unicorn latte, we need Thai salad flavor, we need fresh milk, and our blue milk foam. We start by putting our tapioca pearls, 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of my flavor. So this is a 7.5 pump. I need 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4 pumps. I should get that red color at the bottom. And 4 ounces or 1/2 cup of fresh milk. Support slowly so you get that layered effect. You can adjust the sweetness. If you want it to be less sweet, you reduce the amount of the flavor that you use. Okay? So this is my first drink, which is unicorn latte. I am going to put the milk foam later, the blue macchiato later, so set it aside for now. Let's go to the next drink, which I would call midnight blue. Midnight blue is chocolate. For this, I am going to use 1 scoop of my dark chocolate powder. This is unsweetened. For 16 ounces, this is the recipe that I used. 1 scoop of dark chocolate, and I'm going to dissolve it in 2 ounces of hot water. Stir to combine. Make sure the chocolate powder is fully dissolved. It's hot water, so it should dissolve your chocolate. Time to assemble the drink. And again, I'm going to use my beautiful 16 ounces cup. And here, I'm going to start with my golden pearls at the bottom. The chocolate mixture at the bottom, this will make it midnight blue, really dark. Okay, and then same way, I am going to use 1/2 cup of milk. But for the milk, I am going to add my milk syrup because this is not sweet at all. So I'm going to split the milk 1/2 cup to half fresh milk, that is 60 milliliters or 2 ounces of fresh milk, and then mix it with my milk syrup. For those who do not know yet how to make this, this is a combination of sweetened condensed milk, and evaporated milk. So 2 ounces as well, making it to 1/2 cup or 4 ounces of milk. Note that I'm not using syrups here. The reason because this combination, my milk syrup, is less sweet than syrup. So there you go. You just have to give it a try. Okay, so that's my latte mix. My latte mix is heavier, so it's gone down. So what I should do here is to just give them a good stirring. And there you have your midnight drink. It is really dark with bubbles at the bottom. Okay, so once again, I'm going to set it aside for now and we will finish it off later. For our final drink, it is going to be coffee based, espresso based. I'm not going to show you how I pulled my espresso shots, but what I've done is I've actually pulled a few espresso shots, refrigerated it, and this is espresso. So for the base, because this is coffee base, I am going to add 2 shots of my espresso. This very, very strongly brewed coffee, so I only need 2 shots into my cup. And then for my latte mix, I am going to use the same proportion again, 2 ounces of fresh milk, 60 milliliters of fresh milk, and combine it with 2 ounces of my milk syrup. Now let's see whether this will mix or will give us a layer. So because it is heavier, it's gone all the way down. Okay? And this is why I'm calling this twilight blue, because this is lighter than midnight. Okay? So now that looks absolutely delicious. The color, oh my, it will taste perfect. Okay, so there you go, 3 delicious drinks. And now to make them blue. And now to put the icing on the cake, our blue milk foam. Well, there you go. Once again, something old. This is just a regular latte, dark chocolate, and this is a pink milk. Something new because we have topped it up with a new milk foam, and definitely something blue. But because these are all blue, I'm using a blue boba straw. It just so happens I have a blue one. All of them are best sellers. So if you add this in your menu, I'm sure that you'll get your customers talking about these drinks. Not only do they look spectacular, they also taste very good. So this is just a regular cafe latte with blue milk foam. And that golden pearls tastes really, really good. The thing with this espresso was that I pulled them yesterday and then I chilled them in the refrigerator overnight. What happens when you do that is that the taste of the coffee gets stronger. So don't worry if you have some leftover espresso shots, you can keep them refrigerated and they even taste better the next day. Let me try the second one, which is my midnight blue. Very dark. Creamy blue topping. It's just the taste of my regular dark chocolate. It just might be a little bit too sweet. You might wish to adjust the milk syrup that you use here. But then again, it's up to your own preference. Last but not the least, my pinky milk with blue milk foam. It's starting to become more purple, blue and pink, blue and red and white. Turns out to be a beautiful purple color. Wow, that taste is very, very specific to Thai salad. You cannot find this taste anywhere else. There you go, 3 delicious drinks that you can try, and let me know what you think. If you would like to see more of these recipes, don't forget to check out my book, All Things Milk Tea. Details are in the description box below. Well, there you have it. That's all that I would like to share with you today. If there is anything that you would like me to cover in my future video tutorials, comment below and I'll try my best. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these video tutorials. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.